Hey, 39 Jaguar. A lot of nice styling touches on here. That's how you open up the hood, right? A lot of wind, obviously. True wire wheels. These are true wire wheels, knockoff wheels. Real Roadster, side curtains. And you got, just refill it up in the back. This is, I think this is for like if you bolt some, tie some luggage on here, you tie it around here, and then you strap it on that, Of course, the bumper had like a spring on there, so if you hit it, it goes boing. It's kind of like, if you're pushing it or something, pushing on the bumper guards, then you had it like, that's kind of like a semi-leaf spring too. This would, designed to bend a little bit versus, just spring back, bend and spring back. Got your running boards, spare tire up there. Nice and swoopy. British on the forefront of making cars back then. So, mirrors way up here in the front.